Hey, what's up, Learn How to Draw Hub crew? I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Now today we're going to be learning how to draw a candy cane. I'm excited. I hope you guys are as well. But one more thing, if you guys aren't yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, then go hit that button right now. Awesome. Well, let's go down to this drawing. Let's go see what we can come up
So for the
with.
first step making our candy cane, we're going to begin by making one big bow right in the center of the page. Fantastic! Now below our bow, we're going to begin to make the bottom half of our candy cane. Now let's move up top and make the top half of our candy cane. Whoa, so far this looks great. Now let's go ahead and add in all the swirls that we will eventually color in red at the end of the video. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. Now it's ready for dance party color time.